Oppo has unveiled its latest K-series smartphone, the K12 Plus. It's a mid-range offering with a focus on a large battery and a smooth display, with a capable camera system thrown in for good measure. The K12 Plus runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, a chip well-suited for everyday tasks and some light gaming. It comes with Oppo's ColorOS 14 skin, on top of Android 14. Storage options range from 8GB RAM 256GB storage to a hefty 12GB RAM 5GB storage 3.1. The Oppo K12 Plus is built around a 6.7 inches 120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED display, having 1100 nits peak brightness and wet touch control support. Oppo also boasts about its self-developed shock-absorbing diamond structure and the safety airbag design that provides all-around drop protection to the K12 Plus. The display also supports the P3 wide color gamut and boasts a 200Hz touch sampling rate for a more responsive gaming experience. The Oppo K12 Plus comes with a 4129mm square liquid-cooled VC heatsink, 120 FPS gaming support for some games, and support for offline chat function to contact nearby friends with the phone without network connectivity. For photography, the Oppo K12 Plus sports 3 cameras, 50 megapixel primary with OIS, 8 megapixel ultra-wide, and 16 megapixel selfie. The smartphone comes with an AI eraser and lets you create emojis by creating a cutout of a person, pet, or object from the photos. Other highlights of the Oppo K12 Plus include an X-axis motor for 4D vibration in games, dual speakers, NFC, an IR blaster, IP54 rating, and 5G connectivity. The phone packs a massive 6400 mAh battery, which should offer all-day use for even power users. 80-watt wired and 10-watt reverse wired charging support. Oppo says the battery can be charged up to 50% in 20 minutes with an 80 watts power adapter. Connectivity options are comprehensive, with 5G support alongside the usual Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4. It also features a USB Type-C port with OTG capabilities and an under-display fingerprint scanner for added security. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.